Have you ever scrolled past a house online and thought, hang on, that feels like the one? Here's the thing. A lot of people wait until they're ready to buy before they talk to an agent and a lender. But by then, the home they love is already gone. They thought they could wait to get pre-approved until they were serious about house hunting, and that's a big mistake. Getting pre-approved isn't a commitment to buy, it's just about clarity. A lender will walk through your finances and tell you what you can borrow. That way, you're not falling in love with homes that are outside your price range or missing out on ones that aren't. Plus, you'll be ready when it's go time, so you're not scrambling at the last minute. If the perfect house popped up tomorrow, would you be ready to make a move? Let's chat to make sure you are.